Hello everyone, just a quick introduction. My name is Kami Gutierrez. I'm a dietetic technician registered and a graduate student pursuing my Master of Science in Applied Nutrition. My training focuses on both clinical nutrition and food service management to support safe, nutritious, and well-balanced meals. This video focuses on meal prepping, what it is, why it matters, and how to prepare a balanced breakfast using simple, realistic strategies. Many college students face challenges like limited time, tight budgets, and small kitchens. The goal today is to build knowledge, confidence, and practical skills you can use right away. Meal prep means preparing food ahead of time so meals are easier during busy days. This can include planning meals in advance, preparing ingredients, or making meals ahead that can be stored safely for a few days. So breakfast is an important meal because it helps replenish energy after an overnight fast. Eating a balanced breakfast can support concentration, steady energy levels, and appetite control throughout the morning. A balanced breakfast typically includes protein to support fullness and muscle maintenance, whole grains or fiber to provide energy and digestive support, fruits or vegetables for vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and sometimes healthy fats for satiety and nutrient absorption. Including multiple food groups helps prevent energy crashes later or throughout the day. For example, oatmeal with fruit and milk includes carbohydrates, fiber, protein, and micronutrients. In contrast, coffee alone or a snack bar without any protein may not provide lasting energy. So next, we'll prepare a no-cook, make-ahead breakfast that demonstrates how balanced meals can also be quick, affordable, and easy to store. Before we get started, here's what you'll need. 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1.5 to 1 cup of milk, 1/2 if you want it a little bit thicker, a whole cup if you like your oatmeal a little bit thinner, a 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. You'll need a 1/2 cup of fruit. You can use fresh, frozen, or canned. Keep in mind if you're using canned, just strain the juices. I'll be using frozen blueberries and strawberries. The last two items are for flavor. You'll need a teaspoon of honey and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Rolled oats provide whole grain carbohydrates and fiber, while milk, or milk alternatives, contribute protein and calcium. Greek yogurt adds additional protein, while chia seeds or flax provide fiber and healthy fats. Adding fruit adds natural sweetness and important vitamins. Let's start with adding oats to your still tight container. Then you can add your milk, your yogurt if you're using it. This is optional. And then your chia seeds or flax seeds. Stir everything together so the ingredients hydrate evenly. Then you can add your fruit on top. Frozen fruit is often less expensive, lasts longer, and is just as nutritious as fresh fruit. Adding honey and cinnamon is optional and can enhance flavor without much added cost. I like both, so I'll be using both. Once prepared, seal the container and refrigerate it properly. For food safety, prepared meals should be stored in airtight containers and eaten within 3 to 4 days. Preparing multiple servings at once can help manage time during busy weeks and reduce last-minute food decisions. Buying ingredients in bulk, choosing store brands, and preparing multiple portions at once can save both time and money. Meal prepping works best when it's part of a routine. Planning one breakfast ahead or prepping after grocery shopping can make the process more consistent and manageable. Even with limited equipment or food options, simple planning and balanced choices can support healthier eating patterns. So over the next week, Try planning or preparing at least one breakfast ahead of time. Small changes can build confidence and make meal prep feel more achievable.